Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little
Look at
lamb.
this.
Its fleece
It is a
was white as
goldfish.
snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed
Look at
her
this.
to school
It
one
is a
day,
goldfish.
which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but
Look at
still
this.
it
It is a
lingered
common
near.
fish.
And waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Bye-bye.
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Oh no!
Look at this. It is a snow white fish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a eel.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a boomfish. Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish. Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Goodbye.